Hey, everybody. I'm Dr. Doug McAmmon, Director of the Catalyst Program and Professor of History for the Catalyst. As we're finishing the spring semester of 2021 and our students all around the country are looking at another summer when study abroad programs won't happen, and for most schools, another fall when they won't happen, we're getting asked a ton by parents and students and friends, just how safe will study abroad be for students when it comes back or the catalyst runs again as it will in January of 2022? There are a couple good answers we give. One, we tell folks that in general, going to the cities where we go, at least on the Catalyst program, in the case of 2022, those will be London and Paris, is a super, super safe experience. Both of these cities rank higher in terms of safety than almost any major city in the United States of America. So in general, we believe that our students will be just as safe in 2022 as they always have been. And we've never had an issue before on the Catalyst, even when our groups have been 100 or more students at a time. Then to the larger issue of health issues, which, let's be candid, these have loomed super large for all of us as we've managed to navigate our way through the mess that's been coronavirus. And on these health issues, we have a few things to say too. In general, if a student ever has a health problem with the Catalyst, she or he will self-report to our student coordinator who lives in the dormitories with our students and tell the coordinator, I'm not feeling well. Can you let my professor know? And then one of our faculty members will intervene and talk to the student and make sure that they're having what they need to feel better, that they've got the comfort they need, that they get a medical examination if that's required, and we either go personally or we send our student coordinator to a clinic or to a hospital as required. Beyond that, what can we say about coronavirus itself? A couple of things. As of April 19th, 2021, President Biden assures us every citizen of our country should have open, free access to the COVID vaccination. And it'll be our understanding that all of our faculty, for sure, and all of our staff will have had the vaccination long before we travel. So folks then ask us, will we be requiring the COVID vaccine? Legally speaking, we cannot do that because of our affiliation with universities. We cannot do that. But the caveat we throw at that question is simple. It's very likely that to travel internationally for American citizens, whether it's Canada, Mexico, or in our case, landing in the United Kingdom and then going to the European Union, because we start in London first and then go to Paris, it's very likely that those entry points will require the COVID vaccination. So what we will tell all of our students is we strongly implore you, get the vaccine. It's available and it can keep you safe. But if you choose not to get the vaccine, then you need to be absolutely sure that you will be able to gain entry into the United Kingdom and Europe. At this point, we believe that non-vaccinated travelers could access those countries, but by the fall of 2021 and certainly January of 2022, that could change. So our advice to everyone is the vaccines are available. This is your time to get a free vaccine that keeps you safe from the coronavirus. You should do what we're all going to do and go out and get it. So in summation then, our stance on safety and health with the Catalyst is unchanged for 2022 from the 10 years previously we've done this program. We know our cities are safe. We know we have the safety net, and we know we've got the extra special sauce our students love. We help our students to gain self-efficacy. So they step up and take responsibility for themselves, and they work together in groups, and they work with our coordinator and with our faculty so that we're all in the wellness and safety conversation as a team. The Catalyst 2022, our J-term program starting on 2 January, will, in our opinion, be just as safe as every other run of our successful program. We hope to see you very soon on the Catalyst. Thanks, everybody.